This video will show you how to replace the blower motor assembly on a Ford Edge. This will be accessed from under the passenger side dash. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Along the passenger side, we can see where our glove box is. We'll make our way all the way down towards the bottom. Down in this area, we have a plastic protective panel. The blower motor is located just above it. To dislodge this, you're going to find that you have some plastic push clips that need to be dislodged. Typically for this, it can be easily done by gently grabbing on along the front of this housing and pulling it down and out of place. Now you'll find that you have an electrical connector. Let's go ahead and dislodge that next. For that, we have a locking tab. I'm just going to squeeze that in, pull it out of place, a quick inspection for corrosion, just like we do for every electrical connector, and we can set that panel aside. That exposes our blower motor. Now along the passenger side of the blower motor assembly is where we can see our electrical wire connector here. Press in on the locking tab, pull that down and out of place. You know what to do here? No corrosion. This looks good. You're going to find that you have 3 8mm headed mounting bolts that have to be removed. We have one here out in the open, one towards the passenger side, and a third one tucked all the way along the back side here. Let's go for the one that's furthest away. There's our mounting bolt. As we remove our final mounting bolts, we're holding onto the blower motor. We'll start lowering this down and out of position. There it is, friend. Prior to installation of any brand new part, let's make sure we clean and inspect our mounting area. For this, I'm using a clean rag. I don't have any detergents on here. Just make sure there's no miscellaneous debris. Nothing's damaged. Now it's time for installation of our brand new blower motor. Now as we bring the blower motor into position, we want to pay attention to this area here. This has to be aligned with its corresponding port. When you align that and the blower motor, you should find that all 3 of your bolt ports should align as well. Now while I have that pressed in the fully upright position, we'll continue on with all 3 pieces of hardware. Start them in. Once they're all started in, go ahead and snug them up. Double check to make sure that's properly secured in all areas. We'll continue on with our electrical connector. As far as this electrical connector, we have the locking tab. That'll be facing towards the passenger side. Align it, press it in, listen for a click, double check to make sure it's secure. One last quick inspection in this area and we'll reinstall our plastic protective panel. As far as this protective panel, we have our one electrical connector here. Press it in, listen for a click. Now as you start looking along the back side, we have this tab. That needs to fit up along this area of the insulation on the back side, and then we're going to align the forward pins with their corresponding ports. Press it all the way up into the fully locked position. Okay friend, we finished the installation of our vehicle's blower motor. The next thing you need to do is put the key in the on position. You're going to test the blower motor on all speeds, confirm you have no odd noises. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.